If this keyword does not apply to you, please, please stop using this. What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dave. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do new videos all the time on Etsy success. So I want to jump right into it. I want to talk about a certain keyword that a lot of people are using lately, and it does not apply to their shop or the product in question. So I'll just get it over with. I'll say the word and then I'll talk about it a little bit, okay? So the word is boho. Please stop using the word boho in front of everything. I have seen so many of my students and people on Etsy using the tag, whether it's in the title or the tags, boho or bohemian. This has kind of become like a really trendy word to use over the years. However, boho looks a specific way. Bohemian style jewelry, clothing, etc. They all look a specific way, but I see so many sellers just slapping it onto anything, expecting that it's gonna sell the product when the product is nowhere near boho. So please stop using boho on products that are not boho. The reason being is because of an SEO standpoint. So for any keyword that you use, and this applies to everything, not just boho, for any keyword that you use, I want you to ask yourself this question. If I ranked #1 for this keyword, would that potential customer searching it buy the product? And sometimes people don't ask themselves this question. And a lot of the times when people use the word boho, the answer is absolutely not. Why? Because it is not boho style. So if you were to rank #1 for whatever keyword that's in your title, if that person typing it in isn't extremely warm traffic for that product, then please do not use it. That kills your conversion rate because the algorithm will absolutely attempt to rank you for that keyword. So let's see what happens throughout the journey of the listing. You throw boho on there like it's going out of style, and then what happens is the algorithm puts you wherever you land, based on all the ranking factors. You land wherever you land right when you make the listing. And that's great. Okay. Then people who are actually typing in boho, they start to see it and they do not click on it because they know what they're looking for. They're looking for boho stuff, boho jewelry, boho clothing, whatever it is. Boho headband, there's a million things out there that's boho. That actually is boho. But what happens is the customer sees it and does not click on it because it is not boho. It's that simple. And then the algorithm goes, this isn't boho. Then you decrease in ranking slowly, slower and slower and slower. The more that people see it and do not buy it or do not click on it, that's considered click-through rate. The lower that your click-through rate goes, the lower that you rank. If you don't even get clicks, you're not going to convert. So you're not going to have a conversion rate on it. It's going to be 0%. Or you may convert for the other keywords, yes, because that's not going to be the only word. However, if the algorithm starts to try to rank you for boho and people typing in boho see it and do not click on it, that will hurt your ranking. And that goes for any keyword, obviously, but I see it happening a lot with people using the word boho on absolutely anything. It's like, it's just really weird to me, and I had to make this video to tell everybody, please, 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 boho is more, I'm gonna throw a few photos up. I'm gonna show you what boho is, and if it's not that, if it doesn't look like that, please stop using it, because I've seen absolutely everything with boho thrown on it. But there is actually boho stuff out there, and that's what I'm going to show you. And if it's not this kind of stuff, please don't use it because it is hurting your ranking. And if it's hurting your ranking, then it's going to hurt the other keywords in your title and therefore hurt your conversion rate and your ranking of your entire shop. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Check the description below for my email if you would like coaching or help or any questions whatsoever. Helpful links etc. Please give me a thumbs up on this like if you agree that boho is used just a little bit too much nowadays on Etsy, and have a beautiful day. Peace.